Welcome to the Employer Education Series eSERS tutorial to change your password. Once logged into eSERS and you want to change your current password, on the left-hand side, scroll all the way down to the Security panel and click on the Security hyperlink. In this screen, there's a Change Password button. Go ahead and click the Change Password button to change your password. In this example, we're going to have a verification code sent to the email address on file. Click Send Verification Code. eSERS will send you a new code through your email. Once you've received your verification code, enter it in the verification code field. Click Continue. Enter your current password. Enter a new password. Confirm your new password. Click Update. Once you've successfully changed your password, click OK. Now you will log into eSERS using your new password. For any questions on changing your password, please contact Employer Services. Thank you for watching.